All right, we have some major Cardano news to talk about. I think all ADA holders are going to want to hear this, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Appreciate you guys for popping in here. Hopefully, you guys are having a fantastic weekend, long weekend for a lot of people. And we're here, still grinding, still working, still looking at the market, still taking advantage of these opportunities that have presented themselves thanks to Bitcoin and Ethereum dialing back. Of course, Cardano was also impacted by the sell-off. Cardano currently sitting at 35 cents, down 8% in the last week almost. Still sitting at a $12.7 billion market cap and in the top 10, pretty comfortably at that number 10 position, just below Dogecoin and just in front of Tron. Tron's all the way down there at 11.1 billion. Again, Cardano 12.7. So they've got a pretty comfortable lead here in that top 10. And Cardano's still a long-term play for me, guys. And they are playing the long game. And Cardano recently came out with some news. And I want to share this news with you guys. It has to do with the blockchain itself, how it's becoming safer and faster. Now, recently, Cardano had a DDoS attack, which, definitely is a stress test for the blockchain. It was quickly resolved. And I think this speaks volumes as to just how secure Cardano is in the grand scheme of things compared to some of its competitors. One of the reasons why I love Cardano, they don't do things willy-nilly. They do things right the first time. When something comes out, the Cardano Foundation has always constantly been working on building a blockchain that is highly capable and highly secure. And recently, in the last few months, Composable Finance launched the first IBC implementation, and they were connecting, I'll show you this, they were connecting Polkadot and Cosmos. I'll take you inside this article here. And Polkadot and Kusama, rather. And connections are in development with some of these other big players. Now, the IBC framework works not only to enhance existing systems, but also to expand upon what they can achieve, facilitating the transfer of data and assets between different blockchains, right? This interoperability, this idea. And for these reasons, the cryptonomist decided to conduct an interview with Susanna Evans, product lead of the IBC at the Interchain Foundation, and Sebastian Bode, VP of Engineering at the Cardano Foundation. So there were a bunch of questions asked here related to interoperability, Cardano's future, their plans to utilize these cross-chain capabilities. And it says here from Susanna, interoperability is often seen as an application through smart contracts and not directly part of the core blockchain protocols. IBC was designed to allow communication of different blockchain networks for more seamless development of decentralized networks. Leveraging this as a core function of the blockchain, not just an application. IBC is developed to tackle these core issues that we face. We have seen how it says we have seen how other ecosystems struggle with the assumption of trust. Those who do not integrate interoperability as a primary initiative to the blockchain ecosystem. But from Cardano's perspective, how does the integration of collaboration with IBC enhance Cardano and its users? Well, enterprises building on Cardano can now build their own application-specific blockchains. This is a big deal. This is making it easier for enterprises and big corporations. By doing so, they gain more flexibility in terms of privacy and scalability, which is going to be very important for these enterprise companies as they come into Web3, while being able to rely on the strong security and reliability of Cardano. So keep in mind, Ethereum might be the blockchain for everybody. Cardano, I think, is going to be the blockchain for the big institutions, governments, enterprises. For end users, they get to access a more diverse dApps while also opening up the DeFi and asset trading space between both ecosystems so that liquidity could flow more easily. So key technical aspects of IBC, they went into all of this. I won't bore you with all the technicalities, but essentially what Cardano's doing is they're building interoperability within the blockchain and not just from an outside dApp perspective, right? It says here, Cardano did not have to make any modifications on the core layer as we are solely relying on our smart contract platform, Aiken. Other existing developer tools are mostly from the Go and TypeScript language Eco, as well as Mithril, a product developed by IOHK to bring threshold-based signatures and with these state-proof-like primitives to Cardano. This mostly brings another building block to developers and businesses building on Cardano and gives them a wider solution space for the challenges. It also opens the possibility to add additional EVM compatibility options to Cardano via a side chain. So there's a lot here that they went into, including future plans of enhancing interoperability with other blockchains and various things that they're building over at IOHK. Cardano is doing it the right way. And I think a lot of people get bogged down because, they take a look at the chart, they come over here and they're like, oh my God, Cardano's not doing anything. It's not always about the price. There's some assets that it's just more about a long-term conviction based on what they're actually building. And for me, that's exactly what Cardano is. This is not the similar type of investment. It's just a flash in the pan, new blockchain that'll get a bunch of hype and then it'll die off. Cardano has staying power. We know that. It's been around since 2017, once they did their ICO in Japan. And they are continuing to make steady progress toward their overall goals, which, by the way, are massive. They literally want to change the world utilizing blockchain technology and obviously building their tech for enterprises, governments, educational systems, and all of the above. So appreciate you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to check out Margex if you're interested in leverage trading, either Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's the #1 leverage trading platform out there. Phenomenal opportunity right now. They're doing an airdrop where you can get access to free tokens. All you got to do is sign up, make a trade on Margex. There's no KYC. If you're interested in leverage trading, check that out. And then XT Algo, if you're interested next time Cardano flashes a momentum up, right, an indication that the chart is going to move to the upside, you can get XT Algo today, huge discount code, sign up, 30-day money-back guarantee, and you'll be ready to go. You'll be alerted. You can set up your alerts. I walk you through how to do this. You'll be alerted the next time one of your top cryptos is making a move, and you can get in and make that gain as well. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.